So you can see how dense this forest is and we have to go through. So finally we reached here and refreshed ourselves. A very good morning internet. It is around 6:40 in the morning and today we are going for a short road trip near Kolkata. It is around 250 kilometers from Newtown. It is at Gorpanchkot. We are going to the Panchkot Power and we'll be exploring the Gorpanchkot near about areas. Just see the view from here. And on the right there is the temple. These are ruined temples and there is this temple which is not ruined. And just check out the view from here. So magnificent. So reach at this spot, my second time over here. There is the hill behind. These are the old ruined temples, and there is an intact temple over there. I think this has been built lately for the tourist attraction, and we are now deciding whether to trek to that hill because there is a uh, mandir, Shiv mandir over there at the top. So let's see what everybody decides, and then we will take a call whether to trek or there is some place near called Baranti near to this, and we may go there also. So after deciding, I will let you know. Till then, you enjoy the cinematic view of this place. ऐसी जीत बचा है जिंदगी है So we have taken the call to do a check. As per the local, he is guiding us to the check. There is a small waterfall over there, and there is a mandir. So we'll visit there. Let's see. It's around 500 meters trek, and we have to return by 2 because while returning, or else it will be quite late to reach at home. So now let's go and enjoy the trek with us. Well, I was talking about on the top of the hill. So this temple was built by Rohit. What is the history of this? Eta ki tui baniyechilish?
I built this before 400 years, I guess, and then someone assassinated me, and his name is Saurabh Khan.
Okay, so for this temple, I had to kill this boy.
Thank you.
This is a temple, quite old ruined temple. No one is daring to get inside. Since no one is going, so I am also not going because I don't want to leave them alone. So this is a haunted temple as per the locals. And it is very dangerous to go inside. During night, some paranormal activities happens over here. So Chirohit is wanting to go inside. Will you go inside?
No, not at all.
Okay. So you can see how dense this forest is and we have to go through. This is a complete different experience altogether. In Kasol, Solang Valley and Malana we checked in January, but this is a complete different experience to check and quite a tough experience to check during the monsoon because of the leaves and the trees. It gets full with trees in this forest area during monsoon. Oh my god. We have totally gave up. It's so tough. One of the toughest trek ever that I have done. Oh my god. So finally we reached here and refreshed ourselves. They took a small bath over there. They are refreshing and it will take nearly around 20 minutes to get down. One boy didn't came with us. He is going down. It's quite a tough trek, not an easy trek. But still we managed to do it, and actually it was not worth the trek to the waterfalls. I don't know how and where from where this waterfall is coming, so have a watch. So while coming down it's quite tough because this is quite slippery and my sole of the shoe has been torn out. So finally we are here. You can see my condition, totally wet due to sweat. Oh my god, what an experience it was. It would be remembered for years, this experience. There is the car, hit that boy behind. Srijit didn't enter and we are totally out. Now we have to drive 5 hours from here to my home, Newtown. But it was a wonderful experience. Hope you also like this video as well. And let us get refreshed and I will continue the video. Now few drops of rain is dropping down. Whole trek there was no rain. It would have been a trouble if we were to get rain on the trek. You saw how dense forest it was. Now it's pleasant weather. Let's see the beautiful view, greenery. So now we are leaving from here. We had a wonderful experience. Our kemon laglo bol?
This guy missed it.
That guy missed it. But the greenery around, now the weather is perfect. But it is quite humid over here. Basically Purulia is the hottest state in West Bengal. Purulia, Bankura, these states are quite hot and humid. Let's just check out the view while returning. Perfect cloudy weather, lush green outfields all around. Now we'll be going to Baranti lake or something near this. Let's see whether we will go or not. We will get to know.